Everyone throws this away, but you use it wisely, and your garden will literally flourish. Everyone throws this away, and in fact, it is one of the simplest natural fertilizers. I cut the banana peel as small as possible because it releases potassium faster. I put the cut banana peel in a jar. Pour half a liter of water over the banana peel. I'll let it sit for a few hours, preferably overnight. The banana peel has been sitting in the water, and this water is now full of potassium. Strain. This natural banana peel fertilizer works best on fruiting plants. Tomatoes, peppers, strawberries, but also on flowers that bloom much more than. I pour organic fertilizer around the plant and water it once a week. This is one of the simplest natural fertilizers, and I no longer throw away banana peels. If you liked the video, leave me a heart in the comment and a like. Thank you, dear friends.